The federal government looks to boost relations between Nigeria's financial and public sectors as business and banking leaders meet in Abuja.
Helping language live on. Kenyan civil society groups look at ways to help protect indigenous dialects.
And the U.S. Congressional Black Caucus brings back the African Brain Trust. This year, African art is under the spotlight. Africa 54 starts right now.
Hello, thanks for tuning into the show that goes around the continent to bring you stories near and far. I'm Joke Rogers at Channels Television here in Lagos, and I'm joined by Esther Gitui-Ewart at the Voice of America in Washington.
Thanks. I'm Esther Gitui-Ewart at our global headquarters in Washington, D.C. Happy to be with you again for another edition of Africa 54. Let's start off with a look at fostering economic growth. Joke Rogers in Lagos brings you that story.
That's right. The federal government is seeking stronger partnerships between the nation's financial sector and the public sector to drive economic growth. At the 12th Annual Banking and Finance Conference in Abuja, Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo asked financial institutions to support medium, small and micro enterprises and promote financial inclusion. Channel Television's correspondent Gloria Umezoke reports.
The Vice President, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, graced the 12th Annual Banking and Finance Conference alongside top professionals in the nation's banking industry.
Let's appreciate it.
The future of banking, which is widely viewed as competitive, comes into focus at this two-day summit.
The days of non-performing loans are behind us, and we call upon the judiciary to assist us in this regard. We shall learn to borrow in the old-fashioned way by paying back when we have access facility from the banks.
More stakeholders believe a failure to seize existing opportunities in the evolving digital era may have negative consequences.
It is important to state the need for the regulatory authorities to step up their game and ensure that all stakeholders, especially the innocent and suspecting banking public, are protected against the activities of internet fraudsters, cybercrime. This is very critical to secure and sustain the confidence and trust of the people in the new series of technologically driven innovations in the sector.
The Vice President, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, however, urged the sector to pay more attention to the issue of financial inclusion.
Our financial services sector now has to also redefine itself, challenge itself to partner with the public sector. We must jointly think through how to really lend to MSMEs and the entire real sector.
Improving infrastructure to expand the nation's manufacturing base is another key emphasis here.
This is crucial because we are also the target market for all of Africa. We are already dealing with the threat of smuggling, but we'll now have to contend with the threat of dumping with the AfCFTA. This is why the negotiations going on at the moment are crucial. And I think it's important for the banking sector to pay attention to what is going on.
Thank you.
The banking industry has been charged rather strongly to deliberate and come up with strategic ideas that would enable it to remain more relevant in the years ahead and be a key contributor to the growth of the economy. From Abuja, Gloria Umezoke, Channels Television News.